Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Stellar and its ticker XLM. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, the price of XLM is at around 40 cents. It's above the 21-week simple exponential moving average, which is at around 36 cents, and 20-week simple moving average at 35 cents. So those are the two levels to watch. To the downside, to the upside, the 0.5 Fib level drawn from the 2021 high to the 2022 lows is at around 42 cents, and then the secondary level to watch is the 0.618, which is the 51 cents. Historically speaking, that is since 2024, the first iteration of major euphoria catalyst for XLM, the price did go to 0.786. That's at 63 cents. So the three levels of importance to the upside are 45 cents, 51 cents, and 63 cents. Roughly speaking, around 2x of the current price. Slightly under 2x of the current price. Those are the levels to the watch to the upside. Per the time weighted average price based analysis, this is the blue line is the time weighted average price. Historically speaking, whenever the price is below the blue line, like it was from March 2022 till November 2024, that was a great accumulation time. Now the time weighted average price comes at around 18-19 cents. Again, if this series of the crypto asset class entering this macro bullish season of Q4 of 2025, if that concludes in let's say December 2025, the time weighted average price could well be that at around 24 cents, close to that 0.236 fib level. So that's a key level to watch in mid to late 2026 as the market, the wider asset class cools off like it did back in 2022. The DCA model, which is derived from the polynomial regression based fair value, right now the fair value for XLM is at around 68 cents, close to that 0.786 fib level. That means per this model, the risk levels as the price is below that fair value is at around 15 cents, but it's again nowhere close to the bottom regression line. That bottom regression line would be key to look for in 2026. Right now that bottom regression line is at around 23 cents, kind of coincides well with that Fibonacci level and the ascending line of support for XLM mid to late 2026. If we were to look at some of the overvalued phase and projected overvalued Euphoria peak for XLM per the regression based model is at around $1.57. That's the dotted red line over here, 2 standard deviation residual drawn from the polynomial regression based fair value. That comes at around $1.50. If we go back to by the way, all of these charts are available on cryptoweeklies.com for free. If we were to extrapolate the machine learning based price forecast in a non-euphoria bull run environment for XLM towards the end of the year, that price action forecasted is at around $1 and $1.10. That's the weekly average price. Again, if you were to add 10 to 20% on that one, like it was in December 2024, the weekly average price for that week early December was at around 50 cents, whereas the actual top for that week was at around 63 cents. So that's about 20% higher than the slightly more than 20% higher than the weekly average price. So adding that 20% on that $1.10 gets close to that $20, between $25 and $30. If we were to look at some of the heightened euphoria phase ceiling for XLM as it stands in the next 2 to 3 months, the maximum permissible bullish case for XLM for this euphoria case is at around $2.60. Coming back to the 20-week simple moving average price based, some of the key levels to look for at around 50% risk. If we were to be in that environment, the price could be between 57 cents and about 61 cents, about 40% higher than the current price. All in all, estimated bull run peak for XLM as it stands with respect to all of these individual risk-based models, not the machine learning based models, is culminating at price action as at most area of confluence between $1.25 and $1.50, the midpoint being $1.35. That's about 3.5x higher than the latest price of about 40 cents. With that, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please Please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.